Proverbs, chapter 1, verse 20. Out in the open wisdom calls aloud. She raises her voice in the public square. In the streets, wisdom cries out. She raises her voice in the public square. Her echo cuts through the noise, calling to the hearts that rush.
Never listen. The fear of the Lord is the beginning of knowledge, but fools despise wisdom and instruction. The fear of the Lord, she says, is the beginning of knowledge, but fools despise wisdom and instruction.
How many times have we known the truth, but chased the thrill instead, ignored correction, chose the crowd over conviction, pleasure over purpose. And listen, my son, to your father's instruction, and do not forsake your mother's teaching.
My son, my daughter, hear the instruction of your father, and do not forsake your mother's teaching. They are ornaments of grace around your neck, crowns of peace upon your head.
And my son,
if sinful men entice you, do not give in to them.
But the voices they call to come with us, they whisper,
well, let's make easy money, take quick gain. But wisdom warns, the net they spread will trap their own feet. Evil always circles back home.
how long will you, who are simple, love your simple ways? How long will mockers delight in mockery and fools hate knowledge?
Ooh, wisdom cries again.
How long will you love your simple ways?
How long will mockers delight in mockery?
She stretches out her hand, but no one listens. When trouble comes, when the storm breaks, you'll call,
but I won't answer, because you ignored the voice that could have saved you.
But whoever listens to me
will live in safety.
You live in safety,
At ease,
without fear of harm.
Proverbs 33. Yet still wisdom waits, don't wait.
She whispers in the dark.
If you turn to me, I'll pour out my spirit upon you. I'll make my words known to you. For whoever listens will live in safety and find peace without fear of harm.
Oh, yeah.
Proverbs chapter 3. My son, do not forget my teaching, but keep my commands in your heart. Because when truth lives inside you, peace follows close behind. Obedience is the rhythm of long life and love divine.
Write your words on my heart, Lord. Tie your mercy around my soul. Let love and truth be the necklace I wear. Make my spirit whole.
Proverbs 3. Trust in the Lord with all your heart, and lean not on your own understanding. Don't trust the mirror,
Don't trust the mirror.
don't trust the is right. I will trust you even when I can't see. I will lean on your love, carry me.
In all your ways, submit to him, and he will make your path straight.
Oh,
When the road bends, he levels it.
when the man fades, he draws new lines in gray.
He's not just the way,
He's the destination.
lead me,
Jesus, down your road of life. Every turn guided by faith, not sight. Do not be wise in your own eyes.
fear the Lord and shun evil.
Pride builds towers, wisdom builds homes.
Healing comes when we bow low.
Holiness isn't distance.
It's closeness done right.
Make me humble, Lord, and true. I surrender every plan to you. Honor the Lord with your wealth.
Every plan you,
Honor the Lord, your
every plan you,
honor the Lord, your wealth.
every plan you.
Honor the Lord with your honor the Lord with your wealth, with the first fruits of all your crops.
Give from the best, not the leftovers.
Blessings flow through open hands, never clenched one. Everything I have is yours.
Everything I am, Lord, too.
Everything I have is yours.
Everything I am, Lord, too.
Honor the Lord with your wealth, with the first fruits of all your crops.
Give from the best,
Not the leftovers. Blessings flow through open hands, never clench one. Everything I have is yours.
everything I am, Lord, too.
Everything I am, Lord, too.
Proverbs 3.
11-12.
My son, do not despise the Lord's discipline, for the Lord disciplines those he loves.
Correction isn't rejection.
It's proof you're still his.
The pruning makes room for fruit.
Even when you break me,
He break me.
I know you love me.
Even when you test me, it's shaping me.
Blessed are those who find wisdom, those who gain understanding.
Proverbs is more precious than silver. Her worth outshines pure gold.
She is like
She is like
those who hold.
those who hold her. Peace to those who walk her road.
Her ways are pleasant ways. A gentle answer turns away wrath, but a harsh word stirs up anger.
Every storm starts with a word. Every peace begins with one, two. Choose your tone. It can build a bridge or start a fire.
Teach me, Lord, to speak in peace when my heart wants to shout and release. Let my words heal instead of harm. Wrap them, Lord, in your calm.
Proverbs 15. The tongue of the wise adorns knowledge, but the mouth of the fool gushes folly. Wisdom doesn't flood the room, it fills it with light. Knowledge is not loud, it's steady, strong, and sure. Let my lips be truth and grace, a mirror of your holy face.
The eyes of the Lord are everywhere, keeping watch on the wicked and the good.
Proverbs 15:3.
You can hide your words from man, but not from the one who sees heart.
He's not watching to catch you.
He's watching to guide you home.
You see me, Lord, through light and dark. You know my steps, you know my heart. Proverbs chapter 15, verse.
The soothing tongue is a tree of life, but a perverse tongue crushes the spirit. Words are seeds.
Speak life and watch gardens grow. Speak death and watch hearts wither. Let my mouth be a fountain of grace, giving joy, not leaving a trace of pain.
When a fool spurns a parent's discipline, but whoever heeds correction shows prudence.
Correction is love wearing a stern face. Listen to wisdom before it turns to warning.
Now listen, Lord, even when it stings, 'cause I know correction grows wings.
Proverbs 15, verse 16.
Better a little with the fear of the Lord than great wealth with turmoil. Peace in a small room is worth more than gold in a mansion of noise.
Joy is not bought, it's free.
I'd rather have you than silver and fame. Your peace is my treasure, your love my gain.
Proverbs 15, 18.
A hot-tempered person stirs up conflict, but the one who is patient calms a quarrel.
Anger is a match in dry grass. Patience is water in the desert.
One burns, the other saves.
Make me patient, Lord, slow to fight. Pour your peace in me tonight.
Proverbs chapter 15, verse 22. Plans fail for lack of counsel, but with many advisors they succeed. Even wisdom needs a witness. Don't walk alone, iron sharpens iron. Seek voices that refine, not flatter.
Surround me, Lord, with hearts that care, with voices wise and truth to share.
The Lord tears down the house of the proud, but he sets the widow's boundary stones in place.
Pride builds walls, grace rebuilds homes.
He defends the broken.
He guards their ground.
You lift the lowly, heal the lost. You restore what pride is called.
Softly, strings fade into silence. The fear of the Lord teaches wisdom, and humility comes before honor.
Wisdom isn't loud, it bows low.
And in that bow, glory is born.
Humility before honor, your wisdom forever my song.
Music fades, a soft wind sound, peace remains.
The king's heart is in the hand of the Lord. He directs it like a watercourse wherever he pleases. Power bends to purpose. Even kings kneel to the unseen hand. Every decision, every path flows where his will commands.
You hold my heart, Lord, shape my way. Turn my plans to what you say. Your river runs through me still, guiding me deeper in your will.
Proverbs 21:2.
A person may think their own ways are right,
But the Lord weighs the heart.
we judge by eyes, he judges by motive. We look outward, he looks within. You can hide a lie from people, but not from presence. Search me, Lord, see what's true. Break my pride, make me new.
Proverbs chapter 21 verse 3. To do what is right and just is more acceptable to the Lord than sacrifice.
Worship isn't a song, it's the life you live between songs. He loves obedience more than offerings, justice more than noise. Let my heart be worship true, not just words, but what I do.
Proverbs 21. Haughty eyes and a proud heart, the unplowed field of the wicked produce sin.
Pride is fertile soil for failure. Humility is the rain that softens the ground. Keep me low, Lord, near your feet. That's where grace and mercy meet.
Take me low, Lord, near your feet. That's where grace and mercy meet.
The plans of the diligent lead to profit, as surely as haste leads to poverty.
Slow steps build strong foundations.
Rushing breaks what waiting could strengthen. I'll move at your pace, not mine. Your timing, Lord, is always divine.
A fortune made by a lying tongue is a fleeting vapor and a deadly snare.
Riches gained in shadows disappear with the dawn.
Truth may cost more, but it lasts longer.
Make me honest, make me whole. Let truth be treasure to my soul.
The way of the guilty is devious, but the conduct of the innocent is upright.
Crooked paths promise shortcuts, but they never end well. Integrity walks slow, but it always arrives home.
Guide my steps in the narrow way.
Keep my heart where you stay.
It's better to live on a corner of the roof than share a house with a quarrelsome wife.
Peace in solitude is worth more than company in conflict. Choose harmony over pride.
Choose silence over shouting.
Give me peace, Lord, not the fight. Teach me love that makes things right.
Proverbs chapter 21:21. Whoever pursues righteousness and love finds life, prosperity, and honor.
Chase goodness and it chases you back. Run after love and you'll find life in its own.
Righteousness and love, my prize.
I'll keep my heart before your eyes.
There is no wisdom, no insight, no plan that can succeed against the Lord.
Every plot folds under his purpose. Every storm still answers to his voice. You can fight the wind, but you can't move the mountain he built. Your will stands, your word remains. Through every loss, through every pain.
The horse is made ready for the day of battle, but victory rests with the Lord.
We prepare, but he prevails.
The battle's yours, Lord. The victory too.
Proverbs 31. The words of King Lemuel, the prophecy that his mother taught him. She told him, don't chase power, learn to use it gently. Don't chase beauty, learn to see it through God's eyes. Who can find a virtuous wife? For her worth is far above rubies. There's a woman rising before sunrise. No spotlight, no crowd, just purpose and peace in her palm.
Proverbs 31 verse 15. She gets up while it is still night. She provides food for her family. Her strength isn't noise, it's motion. She's the first to rise and the last to rest.
And love keeps her flame lit.
I'm not tired, Lord.
I'm just poured out in praise. She considers a field and buys it. With the fruit of her hand, she plants a vineyard.
She doesn't wait for someone to name her.
She names her own ground, waters her own dream, and harvests hope from the soil she's sown.
These hands, they build not just walls, but futures. She opens her arms to the poor and extends her hands to the needy.
Her heart is currency,
her generosity an offering.
She gives without announcement and loves without limit.
Let me be that kind of strong,
quiet, open, real. Proverbs 31 verse 25. She is clothed with strength and dignity, and she laughs without fear of the future. You can't intimidate a woman who knows her worth. Fear doesn't fit her frame, faith does.
I wear grace like armor,
and laughter like light. These
Faithful instruction is on her tongue.
Her words are a soft fire,
They warm,
not burn. They correct without crushing. They speak life where silence used to live.
Let my voice be wisdom.
Not just volume.
Her children rise and call her blessed. Her husband also, and he praises her. She's not chasing applause,
She's raising legacy.
her success sounds like laughter in a home.
If they rise, let it be, because I lifted them first.
Charm is deceptive,
And beauty is fleeting.
but a woman who fears the Lord is to be praised.
Charm is deceptive, and beauty is fleeting, but a woman who fears the Lord is to be praised.
Charm fades,
Beauty changes, but reverence, that's eternal fragrance. Let them see him when they see me.
that's all the beauty I need.
Give her the reward she has earned, and let her works praise her at the gates. She doesn't need to announce herself. Her works already speak. I rise,